Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Marlo, and I'm back with another beautiful hairstyle that I tried on myself. It's a quick weave, and ooh wee, I was feeling good with this one. These curls was popping, dropping. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna do a weave middle part. Okay, I got this hair. It was on sale for $9.99. It was previously $20. Then they dropped it to $10. So I got 2 packs of this plus some additional hair that I've had from before. I save hair. I'll wash it and okay, so I'm not doing any braiding. None. Not a bit. So I'm literally just gonna pull my hair back. But I'm gonna show you. Good. So that'll be because your middle part is gonna go there. So this is just, you know, the outline to cover up the actual hair. Okay, so after this part, I forgot to show that I actually glued down my cap and my perimeter. So you just go around your ears. Before I put this on, I was supposed to show you guys how I glued it down. I'm so sorry. On the next video, I surely will show you guys exactly how I did it, because I did glue down my perimeter so my cap don't lift. Now for this to be 16 inches, hold on. I should have showed y'all me opening the pack, but this pack says 16 inches. For this to be 16 inches, this is long. This is pretty long. Like, it goes, I don't know if y'all can see, but this hair is long. I thought it was gonna be shorter than this, but okay. We're gonna have a nice black hairdo. I'm gonna put little curls in it and stuff. Cut as close to this as possible, because you're gonna lose some hair, obviously. So you pull it out.
To blow dry the track first, because your hair is already protected, but like if you blow dry the glue first, it'll dry a little bit and then it won't be as watered down to seep in. It'll already kind of be dry a little bit.
I thought it was gonna be short. I don't know if y'all can see this. I know that's only one track, but I'm feeling myself. Okay, so getting somewhere now. I need to start like laying them like this. Okay, so now I'm at the top already, cause like right here is where my hair, right here in the middle, where I have for my middle part, it stops like kind of right here. So I'm probably gonna have to just put some tracks right here up to here, and then I'm gonna cut the track small. Actually, I'm about to show y'all what I'm about to do. Cause I'm gonna go like this. I'm not gonna keep going around and around and around. I'm gonna go like this. So it's not going all the way around. This is stopping at that back track right there. Because of the way, sometimes I be messing up, so. And when you measure your hair, try not to take your finger off the track. Like when you go like whatever you measuring, don't take this off. Don't take this finger off. Try not to, because then you'll mess up your cut. And then it's gonna be either longer or shorter than what you were expecting it to be. And expect a lot of shedding because you cutting your tracks. So expect a lot of shedding. Cause I'm doing this by myself and I can't really see. So, alright, so boom, it's in there. Oh yeah, that's perfect. You see how that go? That's perfect. Boom. So like my line, I still feel like I could add more hair right there, but I'm not even gonna do it. I still feel like, but I'm not gonna do it because I just don't want to take no chance. Okay, I cleaned my bathroom while I was waiting for those little bit of a few minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. I forgot to say that underneath on the first cap, I had glued down my hair. Oh, I forgot to say that. But do it. Please do it now. Because if you don't do it, then the cap gonna slide down. So at the top, you're gonna have to put some glue protectant up here. Dry that out. So then you have to glue the cap on top of the glue protectant. So if you mess up, that's just what's gonna have to happen. To cut this, the rest of this, that's what I was trying to do. So it should turn out like this. Now, if you have the problem where you didn't put the glue over the whole entire cap and you just have this falling down, you have your cap falling down, get some glue protectant, put it on your hair, and then in this area right here, put it on your hair and just glue the cap onto the glue protectant. It'll protect your hair. It'll come right off. Alright, I'm gonna use, I cut my hair, whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna use the hot comb first on my hair. Plugged up my flat iron, but I'm gonna use my hot. Okay, so let's see. The only thing is, if you ain't got no perm for real, and you got real 4C hair for real, this hair is not it. And this don't look like no 16 inches. This look like 20 something, because I'm 5'9". So I don't know what they got going on talking about this 16 inches. It's not. It's not. I like this, because it looked like it could be my hair. All I did was flat iron all of this. I ain't do no super like baby hairs or nothing. And I like it, like I can put it behind my ears. I like this because it's super flat and it looked like it could be my hair. Like I like this, like this style. I like it. Alright, for real, I'm in love. I don't care what nobody says. Only thing I wish is that my hair was probably permed, because my hair is not blended in with this straight hair. This hair is super duper straight. Don't have no texture at all. No texture at all. My hair, and then my hair is so short, and this, I don't have no perm, so it's not blended in very well. I put oil in it. I even try to do this. flying it together with the other hair so it can stay. It'll stay for a little while. It'll stay for a little while, but y'all, you can say what you want, but I like it because it don't look too much. It look like it can be me. You know what I'm saying? This is me. This right here, I look good. Cause baby, this is beautiful. I like this. I just don't like the fact that my hair is not blending in too good with it. It's making me look crazy.